everyone! Welcome back to my channel.
Oh?
Today, we are going to make a fish. Also, this could be a whale. Okay, get your origami and let's start. Starts from right side up, make a triangle. Then open the origami and make a triangle again, but this time you push only the middle. We just wanted to make a crease. From the middle crease, you can divide into 3 and we will make a small triangle in it. It's like this. Then fold it half. Next, fold with this line, diagonal way. It's gonna be like this. The top of the mountain will touch the bottom. Okay, almost there. Rotate the origami, fold it up at the line. Ta-da! Okay, let's make eyes. You can put a googly eye or you can draw. It's up to you. Yay! We made it! Please put your origami with hashtag Manami Sensei. Then I can see what you made. Thank you for watching. I will post more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then you won't miss it. Thank you so much. Bye!